Hey my pretties, just walked in Dollar Tree. Of course you guys know that already. Still have a lot of pillows out here, and it looks like they're putting out some t-shirts. No cute prints on the front, but just regular t-shirts. I see red, gray, and blue. So yeah, I just walked in. We're gonna walk around and see what we can find for the day. They have those trinket dishes here. The Valentine's Day cups. This is always like my first place I look. Well, I like to look. Sometimes it's not in the front of the store. And that's it on this shelf. Okay, now I've seen these before, the silver charger plates, but this one kind of has that chrome look to it. You see that? So those are totally different. Let's see. Definitely, you can tell the metallic and the kind of like matte silver almost, and then the shiny one, that's cool. Okay, I'm over in the Valentine's Day section, and it looks like they have some new stickers. These are cute. And then look at these. I've never seen those before. It has the sushi right here, right there. Lots of little different animals, cactus, pizzas. I like those. And then the rest are just hearts. So that one and that one I really like. Oh, they do have these down here with the hearts. Too sweet, love, be mine. What else do I see back here? Those with the mermaids, the food, the pizzas, the cupcakes. I am a sucker for stickers, even though I don't need any. Color your own ornament. You get 5 of them in a pack. And these are wood. Okay, I saw the shorter socks, like the regular crew socks. These are knee highs, and these are cute with the little raccoon and the heart. Yeah, that one. And then I also see this one. I think there's one more up here. A pig with some glasses on and all the hearts. I like those. Here's more of those clutch purses. The pink and the red. More signs back here. Here's some cute DIY tote bags. Little llama. And this one would be like love you to the moon and back or something like that. They have lots of scarves over here. The infinity ones. And these cute little scrunchies for your ponytail that hang. I see that in that pink and gray. Oh, what is this? Bandanas. Oh, heart shape. Well, heart print bandanas and plaid. I like those. Let's see, I think they have, yep, they have the X's and O's and the plaid on that one as well. And then down this row, looks like they're still stocking some stuff. Here's those cute baskets I just recently showed you. With the hearts at the top. There's some of the makeup. These pretty tin cans, you get different sizes. I like this one. Glitter base filler. 110 pieces in there. Yeah, here's the smaller socks. I picked up a few of these. The llama you, I got those. Oh, look at this. Yummy milky and chocolatey candy shaped like a unicorn. That is really cute. I wonder if you can find all of the characters at the bottom right there, because I do see an owl. Let's see. Yep, there's the frog. And I only see those three. So the owl, the frog, and the unicorn. Oh, they brought back the mushrooms. So these are here. Let's see. I see a few different colors. That one, and then I saw that one. There's the frogs. Different ones. This one was my favorite. He just relaxing. I like that. And then look at these cool flower pots. These are stackable, and you have 3 areas in there, right there. So you can create something with those. That's kind of cool for $1. Those are definitely worth more. They put out a lot of their flower pots. You have the hummingbird feeders, the seed starting greenhouse right there. They have some gnomes, and they put out the fairy garden stuff over here with the cute little gnomes. I like those. And they even have some plant hangers. Look at that. So I see black, and I see this goldish brown color. That's kind of cool. And you can get this one too. It's a chain link. And they also have tomato trellis up here. Oh, I almost walked right past it. They have another plant hanger up here, and this one is actually, I want to say it looks bigger than this one. I'm not too sure, but black, gold, and green. Oh, look, they have some Derma Invigorating Facial Scrub with vitamin E. Deep clean, oil-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free. 5 fluid ounces. Here's some more of the Allure wipes. This one with the witch hazel, and this one for sensitive with vitamin E. Here's some facial mask remover sponges by April Bath and Shower. They also have hot cold eye pads that look like kiwi, or you can get the cucumber. They also have some Global Beauty Care women's deodorant wipes with aloe vera. Wipe away odor and sweat. These would be nice for you to take to the gym, or to give to a girl to take to school after PE in case she can't take a shower. They have Derma Eczema Relief Moisturizing Lotion. Non-greasy feel, fast absorbing, fragrance free with natural chamomile flower extract. That's really cool. Coconut oil, moisturizing body oil. You get 4.5 fluid ounces. This is made by Blue Cross. Not bad. Here's some Suave Advanced Therapy Lotion. Right there. Or you could get the Cocoa Shea Nourishing Lotion. 3.5 fluid ounces. Here's some really cute character banners. Okay, so this is what they would look like. Collect all 3, so you can get the food yummies at the top with the unicorn and a donut. You have the cactus and the llamas. Look at the colors, those are nice. And then you have the narwhal with the seashells. Okay. 75 inches in length. So I see the narwhal. There's the unicorn. I could not think of that, you guys. There's the unicorn, and then there's the llama and the cactus. Look at these really pretty ribbons. They have like the gold down the middle. White, gray, pink, navy blue. There's even a black one. Those are nice. Here's some of their St. Patrick's Day stuff. This one has the little rainbow at the top of the headband, or you can get the one with the just the regular hat. You know, the 2 hats. Shamrock crown with the little wire mesh, and it ties in the back. Or you can get these that hang like that. There's some necklaces, some coins, the sequin bow, and then they also have these with bandanas. These would be nice to craft with. That one, and the green and black plaid. And then around this corner they have some garland, this decor, some tinsel garland, these cutouts, felt cutouts, towels, some pictures right here. This one is cute. And then you can even do these DIY. Write something in the middle, paint them. I like those too. These are some pretty jars right here. This is jasmine and rose water candle. I see aquamarine glaze. The yellow one is citron and mandarin. And in this pretty white jar is driftwood and sage. Who made these? Are these star candles? Dollar Tree brand. So I see those. Moonstone musk in this kind of jar. See that? That's nice. This pink one back here is pink quartz. This purple one is orchid blossom. And I see one blue one way back there. Let me see. Blue agave. Okay, right next to those, I haven't even seen these before. Choose Happy. Also Dollar Tree brand. I like the little jars. The green one is eucalyptus verbena. The blue one is garden lilies. And then you have this red one that is pomegranate citrus. These are nice too. You have these little candle holders that look like they have the mermaid or fish scales on them. I see that blue and I see this purple. And then look at this one. Kind of has that ombre look to it. That's pretty. Or you can get the purple and blue one. Those are pretty. Okay, I just recently saw these two right here with the blue and the pink. You have that. These actually feel kind of textured. They have sparkles on them. I see blue or turquoise. That's a different kind of a blue. I see white. And then I see these right here that have that mercury kind of look to it. Okay. I like the shape of those. Kind of different. Like a hexagon. But I really like these. Here's some more pictures, little hanging pictures over here. Let your faith be bigger than your fears. This is my happy place. I like this one. And I like how it has a little metal piece on it. Enjoy the little things. And there is no place like home. Okay, down here I see these family signs, the little wood right there. Some more pictures. Home is where my dog is. Life is a journey, enjoy it. We saw these before. And then you have the cat. My favorite people have paws. Oh, there's some crosses right there. Different ones. I see one that says blessed back there. Good vibes only. Thankful and blessed. The little mermaid tails. Roar like you mean it. Don't worry, be happy with the cute little frog on it. The little fox says cool and clever. And then I see one more back there. Cute but fierce. Okay, looks like they have some new pillowcases. And I see this down here. Looks like somebody opened it. That is really nice though. Look at that. Pretty colors. Somebody probably was looking for something and just opened them up. Then you have this one right here. I do like this one. This one is satin. But yeah, they have a few. Oh look, they even have combs. And these are like nice size. They're not like the real tiny ones. That's not too bad. Okay, you guys, that is it for Dollar Tree today. Lots of good new finds. I hope you saw something that you liked. that will pop up in your store real soon, so you can grab it. But I'm gonna get out of here. You get 4 packs of elfin crackers in here. Those are always good. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will talk to you. Uh-oh, almost dropped that. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.